Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on Raise to Wake screen option on our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To turn this function on, we have to go to the settings. Next we will go to accessibility features, and here we are looking for shortcuts and gestures. And we have a few options here. For example, wake screen. Raise the phone or tap twice on the screen. We have two options here. For example, if you want to wake telephone when we raise the phone, we will have to check this box. A very convenient option, but a little bit hidden. That's all. Hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.